Yo, what is going on, everybody? Lottery Stocks here. I wanted to make a quick video touching on CEO Adam Aron's tweet. He goes, interesting fact. Now, real quick, we're going to break this down. Why would he tweet a random fact? That is the only reason this should be broken down. Now, I know a lot of times people break down Adam Aron's tweets, and they kind of just go over the line a little bit, and just the theories are a little bit nuts. But I find this pretty interesting to break down. Of course, he used BlackRock in this tweet, and he also used Hycroft Mining and Burning Man. Okay, so interesting fact: many thousands of people will descend on Nevada's BlackRock Desert starting tomorrow for the annual week long. Now, this is a real thing. If you go over here and look at BlackRock Desert, they do have an annual Burning Man event attracting 50,000 people for a week-long festival. Yada yada yada. That's not the point here. What's interesting is he tweeted this event as a fun fact out of nowhere. So I found this pretty interesting. Now, BlackRock, let's just read the rest of this and we'll go through it. So starting tomorrow for the annual week-long Burning Man festival. The famous Burning Man takes place not much more than a few stone throws from the Hycroft mine, in which AMC has a big stake. Okay, so Hycroft Mining, HYMC, has headquarters apparently in Nevada, which is pretty interesting. And this is just saying, you know, whether you want to make this so that Hycroft Mining is going to be the one exploding, yada, 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 I think the two main takeaways out of this is BlackRock burning. Now, if we look over here, I find this pretty interesting. So this is the AMC Entertainment holdings on BlackRock, and we all know they sold a bit of shares before. They were at 47 or somewhat million, down to 25. And this is what I find pretty interesting. It looks more so like they bought high, sold low, and they actually lost money on AMC. Now, we assume BlackRock is lending to short sellers just due to the fact that how often short sellers get extra shares that are able to be lent out, so on and so forth, for a while now. But it seems like they bought up here at $40, they bought up here at $45, and then they bought up here at about 57, and then wherever the price was over here, about 35, and so on and so forth. So it seems like they bought high, sold low, and I think either the reasoning for this is they're losing money, which we'll go over in 1 second, or they were just about to go negative on the play, so they did sell out most of it. Now, this is just a theory, but if you go over to BlackRock market value, you will see that they're at 3.117 trillion. They were at 3.712 trillion prior market value, so they lost about 600 billion or so. So this is pretty interesting. I just wanted to point this out and break down the tweet a little bit here. So if I had to break this down and kind of just come to a quick conclusion, what we know is I would dissect this and say, interesting fact, BlackRock is burning. That was one thing that is actually factual. BlackRock is burning, especially now that the market is dying, and Adam Aron just put this tweet out. This is pretty interesting. BlackRock also sold shares, so this could be just throwing shade at BlackRock. Not much more than a few stone throws from Hycroft Mine. Interesting fact, BlackRock burning, not far from Hycroft Mine. AMC has a big stake. These are the things that I would probably highlight, and I would probably just come to the conclusion that, of course, BlackRock losing a lot of money. BlackRock is burning. This could be throwing shade at BlackRock, or Adam Aron hinting that, you know, something else is coming. Maybe BlackRock is burning because AMC has a big stake in Hycroft Mining, which is a few stone throws away. Okay, so this is pretty interesting. Maybe Hycroft will rip. You know, maybe they're going to come out with some news. Maybe BlackRock's doing this and that. You guys could throw a bunch of theories around. But this is it. I kind of just wanted to dissect his tweet for you guys. That is it. I love you all. Make sure to get your 10 free stocks down below. Lottery Stocks out.